In front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Display section. Following that, scroll down again, click on Text Size, and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. When you're ready, click on the back button, and as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!